Hello viewers and welcome to new video. This is a short video in which I will show you how you can change your plastic knobs on radio and trip computer with metal one, which are in fact used for guitars, but they fit perfectly for the smart car. Install is simple, just pull out your old knob and press new one in. They are a little bit more out than original, but they feel in the hand better. For the price of 75 cents per knob, I think they are great looking. You can search for guitar 6mm knobs, or you can just check the link in description. You can choose between chrome, gold or black. I hope you enjoy it. Until the next video, drive safe and goodbye.